Why I'm over GraphQL, why I prefer not to use GraphQL. Welcome back to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and with my 25 years of development experience, here at Startup Hack, we turn beginners into full stack developers in as little as 3 months. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, why I'm over GraphQL, or why I prefer not to use GraphQL. This is inspired by an article that I'll reference in the link down below, and we'll explore more reasons why developers are moving away from GraphQL. Let's break this down into 5 key points. First point, complexity and overhead. GraphQL, while powerful, introduces a significant amount of complexity and overhead. Unlike REST, which is straightforward with its endpoint-based approach, GraphQL requires setting up a server with schemas and resolvers. This added complexity can slow down development, especially for smaller projects or teams with limited resources. The learning curve for mastering GraphQL is steep, which can be a barrier for new developers. Reason number 2, performance issues. One of the touted benefits of GraphQL is its ability to fetch exactly the data you need in a single request. However, this can lead to performance issues when queries become too complex. Overfetching and underfetching data can be problematic, leading to inefficient data retrieval and potential slowdowns. Additionally, GraphQL servers can struggle with performance under heavy load, requiring careful optimization to maintain responsiveness. Reason number 3 is caching challenges. Caching in GraphQL is not as straightforward as it is in RESTful APIs. Since GraphQL allows clients to specify exactly what data they need, caching responses become more complicated. Developers often have to implement custom caching strategies, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. This complexity can negate some of the efficiency gains promised by GraphQL, making it harder to maintain over time. Number 4, overly flexible queries. GraphQL's flexibility in allowing clients to query for exactly the data they need can be a double-edged sword. While it empowers clients, it also leads to inefficient queries that put a strain on the server. Developers need to implement strict query validation and monitoring to prevent abuse. This adds another layer of responsibility and potential complexity to the development process. Number 5, tooling and ecosystem maturity. While the GraphQL ecosystem has grown, it still lacks the maturity and breadth of tooling available for REST APIs. Debugging and monitoring tools are not as robust, which can make troubleshooting issues more challenging. The ecosystem's relative newness means that best practices are still evolving, leading to potential inconsistencies and security vulnerabilities in implementation and maintenance. This can make long-term project stability harder to achieve. Now, I'm really curious to hear your guys' thoughts. Do you guys think I'm wrong? Are you seeing the same thing? Have you implemented GraphQL and loved it? Or have you implemented it and found some of these same struggles? What are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a good, healthy discussion. So make sure to leave some comments down below and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers. With my 25 years of development experience, we take people with zero experience and help to train them to be ready to start as full stack software developers in as little as 3 months. So make sure to check out the link down below.